Hello guys, from Sharjah all the way to Satwa. We went there to meet our cousin Christine. It's been maybe 15 to 20 years last time kaming nagkita. You know, life is so busy. Iba-iba tayo ng struggles. Looking for better opportunities. So now, from Saudi, pumunta siya ng Dubai for better opportunities para sa mga anak niya. And we went to Paris Republic na resto. Actually, outside sitting siya, guys. So, I'm not sure kung paano kakakain dito nung those days are very hot, di ba? Masarap naman ang food. Medyo busy lang talaga sila. I'm not sure na consistent yung ibang pagsiserve nila at mag-isa lang si ate dun. So, kawawa siya as in. So, yan ang in-order pala namin guys. Binalik ko lang siya. Tapsilog, pansit, medyo maalat. Pero masarap yung chicken inasal. Pero the best ang lumpiang tauge nila. The best. Chicken skin is good as well. May halo-halo din pala sila. And katabi lang nila yung Vals. See you! Thank you!